The product is a nugget ice maker. Nugget ice maker. That's the main term there. These are everywhere at the minute. This plays into something that's happening online, which is the home bar, stay at home, save money kind of thing. What's going on? Very, very big. We'll talk about that again next. But that's a really big thing. People are feeling the pinch, you know, and so they're looking at ways of saving money. And so they're making their cocktails, drinking their drinks at home. This taps into that. This taps into that. This particular product makes a ton of cash. So this does 360 grand a month in revenue. That one product, 360 grand a month in revenue. And of course, there's other products out there, but this is a really, really good one. They've done a great job of this. And, you know, of course, it's summer in the northern hemisphere, but we're just getting into the summer period in the summer in the southern hemisphere. And so this coming summertime in Australia, these things are set to go off, which is why I wanted to talk about it today. Devanti make and sell them. Good stuff. Yeah. Massive price variation. Good. That's what you want to see as well. Big price variation. 5.4. No, it doesn't mean that. It means that that was my total amount, 4.5, and 20% of that was at earnout, if that makes sense. Yeah, I wish it was 5.4, but it wasn't. All right. Cool product. I really like it. Lots and lots of search. Look at this search term increase here. 900% additional search term here. Incredible. So big, big thing. And also looked on TikTok as well. There's some videos that are doing insane numbers on TikTok as a result of that. So lots of opportunities for that too. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.